more time, energy and huge money on graphics. From the desk of Yogesh Agarwal. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I am grateful to be able to help over 120,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $3 million in sales in just the last 4 years. The wake-up call. $5,000 in damages, website shut down? Few months back, one of my good friend was sued for using stock photos on his website. He was ordered to pay $5,000 in damages and had to take down his website. This was a wake-up call for me. I realized that if my friend, who was an experienced marketer, could get into trouble for using stock photos, then the average person was in big trouble. I was afraid. What if I or my clients get into similar trouble or more? When it comes to creating graphics, I can't even draw a stick figure, let alone use Photoshop. Over the past 4 years, I spent over $25,000 on various graphic resources, designers, softwares, membership sites, etc. I was tired of hiring, waiting for designers and paying hundreds of dollars for a small, simple project, and do it again and again for every new project. I can't tell you how many times I've had to start all over again because the designer just didn't understand my instructions or didn't deliver what I asked for. The AHA moment. Few months back, I was researching on Reddit about one of my projects and stumbled upon a thread that changed the way I look at graphics. A man won an art competition in Colorado using AI-generated art, prompting a debate over what art is. I was stunned. I had never heard of anyone using AI to generate art before. I was curious and started researching heavily on this topic. And then I had my aha moment. What if I could use AI to generate graphics for my marketing campaigns, for my projects, for my websites? It doesn't matter if I'm not a designer, or if I don't have skills. As long as I had AI powering me, nothing was impossible. I was shocked to discover that with artificial intelligence I could now just enter text and get mind-blowing graphics that would drive leads and sales for me. Same day, I called up my team and we got to work. It was more difficult than we thought, but after 6 months of intense experimentation and development, my team and I have finally perfected the ultimate AI-driven graphics platform. We worked day and night, and we finally created a revolutionary AI app that could turn simple text into amazing graphics in one click. Why AI Graphics Factory? Be safe, no violation of copyright laws. Use AI Graphics Factory library of images and videos with confidence that you're not violating any copyright laws. We only offer images and videos that are royalty-free and have been released for commercial use. Save time and energy. With AI Graphics Factory, you don't have to jump from site to site looking for the perfect stock files for your projects. We have made it easier and faster than ever before. Search through our huge database of images and videos to find exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. Free updates and forever. We don't just give you a product and walk away. We do our best to keep improving the product. We will continue to release new features and updates for free into the future. 24x7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Our team is always available to help. Whether you need help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of our products, we're here to assist you. Limited time. Fast action bonuses. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 10 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. Fast action bonus #1. Commercial license. The commercial license allows you to use our videos in any way you want. You can sell videos created with AI Graphics Factory to clients for any price you want. You can sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or your forum, anywhere you want. Fast action bonus #2. Live web class training. Lean how we discovered this new ultimate AI and ChatGPT unstoppable breakthrough formula created by AI tech itself. Learn the fastest way to make money with ChatGPT and AI and how to create insane results and businesses with it. Fast action bonus #3. 4,500 plus graphics pack. A stupendous and massive graphics package consisting of more than 3,000 plus graphics including avatar animations, logos, 3D covers, Facebook timeline covers, background images, PPT covers, affiliate banners and more for you to use in your and your clients' marketing projects. Fast action bonus #4. 1,000 premium fonts. 1,000 Premium Fonts is a superb collection of premium quality fonts that will make your projects look more professional and attractive. They are perfect for any type of graphic or web design project including business cards, logos, posters, banners and much more. Fast action bonus #5. 3,000 plus pro-level logo templates. Get your hands on a striking collection of 500 plus pro-level logo templates in 4 different file formats including PSD, AI, JPG and EPS. Use them to create stunning new logo designs in minutes that will make your brand look like $1,000,000. Fast action bonus #6. 500 viral quote images. Drive viral traffic from all social networks with 150 plus eye-catching viral quotes. Multiple format options to make editing like a breeze. Neatly assorted in more than 5 sizzling hot niches to target a wide variety of audience. It's a complete turnkey business opportunity. Fast action bonus #7. Affiliate marketing templates. This is a collection ready-made templates that will help you in every path of affiliate marketing. Want to earn money while you sleep? With affiliate marketing, you can turn this dream into a reality. Fast action bonus #8. 200 plus 4K ad stock videos. Get your hands on never-seen-before 4K Ultra HD stock videos. These are premium quality videos that will give an edge to your projects. They are perfect for any type of video work. Fast action bonus #9. 700 plus motion background videos. Mind-blowing collection of 700 plus motion background videos to captivate your audience's attention. You can grace your videos or audio presentation by simply mix and match them in the background. Also, we are providing this package with master resell rights, so you can sell it to other hungry buyers and fill your pockets with instant cash. Fast action bonus #10. 5,000 plus eye-popping vectors. Tuck in the massive goldmine of 5,000 plus royalty-free vector graphics in both PNG plus SVG format to maximize your reach. Drive more traffic and build giant list of responsive customers within a blink at much lower price than what expected to be paid for single one. Remember, all graphics are assorted by us, representing 150 plus high-in-demand niches including marketing niche and are 100% royalty-free, which means you don't need to worry about any copyright issues ever.